In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the server's full friends can't join issue in Once Human. So in case you're in a server and your friends are trying to join you but they can't because the server is full, there's actually not much you can do because that's out of your control because other people are playing and the server is full. What they have to do is enter the waiting queue and then simply waiting there, and even though it may say there, for example, the 14th player on the list to enter the server, and it says that it will take a long time to join, don't get scared by it because that's not true. It actually happens to me very frequently. It says that the server is full, however, there it says like you have to wait for a few hours, or it says you have to wait for a long time. However, I've always been let in within a 5 minutes or a few minutes. It's never taken longer than that. So pretty much don't be fooled by the message. Simply wait for the queue and you'll be let in, okay? Because other people will leave the server, some other people will join the server and stuff like that. So people will mix and you'll get the ability to join the server. Just don't leave the waiting screen because it will reset and you'll get put out of the waiting queue. Now, if you of course don't want to play with your friends, you can also alternatively join another server, but you wouldn't be looking at this video if you wanted to play alone. So simply wait in the queue and hopefully, quickly, within a few minutes, you'll be let in and be able to play with your friends. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.